Yeah, I guess. I mean, we're trying to limit our team size. I think that's about eight or nine
Yeah,
of us
it's
now.
about 9 of us right now.
Yeah, and I think that's a good size, but I don't think we can go more than maybe like 3,000 posts a day. That's the most we can go. And yeah, we're trying to open the process so anyone can just duplicate it and do it themselves.
Is it something that could perhaps be in the total infrastructure of Steemit once it goes more mainstream?
Yeah, that's the actually from Curie, Nat and Dan. From then, after knowing Curie, they have the idea of implementing curation guilds, and yeah, actually that's where they are going to model Curie's model for curation guilds, and it will be part of Steam. Yeah.
Great.
And think about how amazing that is too. Like how many platforms not only like allow you to come and create content and get some kind of reward for it, but not only that, the fact that you're new is like is kind of a bonus. You know, you have the community actually trying to disproportionately benefit you. Like that's a really, and these guys, you know, they just. One of the cool things about how all this works together is that the users get to do the prototyping and the A/B testing, and then either Steemit Inc. can incorporate it or let it run on its own. Like Curie could very well evolve and adapt and grow on its own and scale on its own if it wants. And other people, since it's open, can copy it. Oh, and by the way, I'm not involved with Curie on a daily basis. These guys deserve all the credit, you know, and Donkey Kong and the guys they work with. I've just been like part of in the ether. And
Yeah, but you were there at the beginning. So
yeah.
The other thing that you have to keep in mind is that as Steemit goes mainstream, there will be more redistribution and there will be more whales on the platform. So Curie also has the possibility to scale up with the number of users on the platform and the amount of content that we will be, you know, generating as well. So there is that possibility to scale up. It's very dynamic. It's not limited by, there isn't that many limitations to the project as such. So there is the possibility that we can scale up as, you know, as we grow with the number of users on the platform. Wow.
I just want to get rich out of it.
I just want power.
I want cheesecake. More cheesecake. But I certainly want to see a bigger community. I would love to see a community from more Asian, you know, part of the world, from where Kevin and I are from India and Malaysia. That's what we plan to do once we go back. We hope to have some regional events as well, and, you know, organize meetups and stuff like that. 2 years from now, I would love to see have 100,000 people on Steemit chat, and maybe a few million, you know, couple of million users on.
Yeah, I think when it grows bigger,
Yeah.
I mean everything is gonna be like different pockets. But I guess we are considered like the core group.
Yeah.
Yeah, the core early adopters.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah, I think that, I mean, there's lots of stuff you can imagine a couple years from now, but I think that if we can take this experience that we had here and translate that back into Steemit and add those features that enable, I mean, when we all come here, it's like old friends, old best friends who have amnesia and don't remember each other, but it's just like immediately coming together and just talking and talking about ideas and talking about problems they want to solve and things they want to build without it being work at all. It's not. It's just fun, and it's the bonds are really tight, and you just like. I'm worried about leaving. I've been taking photos of everybody's ID because I'm like, if I don't talk to these people soon, it's gonna be awful. And if they can design features, you know, adding video chat, adding chat, you know, to take those unique aspects of Steam. I was talking with somebody else today, and they were talking about how, you know, Facebook divides people. It pushes people apart, and Steemit doesn't do that.
Yeah.
We can talk about why, theorize about the design and stuff like that, but the fact is it just doesn't. We have fucking the biggest hippies in the world here. And the biggest capitalists in the world here. And there's not been a single argument or maybe an argument, but no, everybody's friendly, everybody's great, and everybody's helping each other understand the world better and think about how they're going to build their approach. Because like if you look at the Garden of Eden, those people, I would say they're I don't know, hippie-ish, whatever. They're great, and I respect what they're doing. Like I wouldn't do it, but like they're here to solve problems. They're here to make people's lives better.
And they are making such a difference to their community, and that's what the initiatives on Cement Chat are doing, because it's not from from an external third party. It's from the users of this platform. All these initiatives are community led, they're community originated, and that's for the community, for the entire platform, for everybody to benefit. So because we're all first members of SteemIt, we're all users of SteemIt first, and that's how we got together on SteemIt Chat. And in the future you will see some integration. I can't tell you much right now, but we are looking forward to integrating several features of SteemIt Chat with SteemIt, and you will see a lot more exciting stuff on SteemIt Chat happening. So to bring both the platforms closer, and what you're talking about, video and audio, all these things will happen very soon on SteemIt Chat as well. Yeah.
Makes sense. Yeah.